Yo, so what's up? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go kill Ben
Heffernan.
He's an ex-CIA agent. He sold toxic weapons to North Korea. Let's go.
That ain't good. That ain't good.
No, it isn't. Let's move out.
Move on.
Got that strength.
Okay. Please, guys, subscribe. All this stuff.
Please like and subscribe, guys.
And follow Fatal X Wolves on
Fatal X Wolves. Follow Fatal X Sniperman on PlayStation 3, and on PlayStation 4, my name is Fatal X Snipes 234. All right, guys. I'll see you later. All the information will be in the description. Let's go.
Let's go. Woo. Okay. Let's go. You get that way, I'll get this way. Make sure you don't slip again. Yeah.
What? Alright, whatever.
Was that your mom?
Yeah. Ed's that.
Where is he?
Thanks, I gotta tie my shoes.
Do you see yourself?
Yeah.
Sir. But he has a different gun now.
Our whole team has to take him and he has to have the gun.
Yo, I'm gonna stay right here. Okay? This help. Yo. You gotta carry this for me. Because I might sneak attack on him. I'm gonna stay behind here.
Keep the gun. Keep the gun. Keep the darts and stuff.
I'm going right here. Okay. Oh, yeah. Pull it under here. Okay.
I'm going this way. Watch.
Okay, hold the camera. Ready? You're going. I'll see you in a little bit. You still here? Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. I see you. Alright, let's go.
Sorry, guys, we're a little bit of amateur YouTubers. Oh, shit. You guys see this huge icicle right here? That was all the way up there. That thing's huge. This thing's like 50 pounds. There he is. There's my man going up. See him? All right. Let's go. Oh, God damn it. Gun, I'm out of ammo. I'm going to get another gun. What did you do with the guns? Over there. Let's go. We gotta get them. Tackle him. No, quit. We can't get him. Quit it. All right. Run. I got him. Oh, I'm down. You still recording? Yeah, we're still recording. I'm down. Ah, he's out. What do you? Timeout. There is no timeout. It's a war. Then quit our truce. Jesus.
Are you dead?
Nope.
Got you.
You're out. Nice game, guys.
Shut up.
Oh, we can't hit this. No. All right, nice game, boys. Right.
Let's buy some more ammo or guns.
All right, here, Xavier. I don't know how to stop this. Hit the
Press the
square.
red button.
I don't know where it is.
It's the square. Oh, try on top, remember?
Oh, yeah.
It's on top.